85, cross runway left, ground at point 1.
Alright, cross 8 left, ground point 1, good day 585.
Number 1 Whiskey Mike, contact departure, good day.
1 Whiskey Mike, good day.
Bridge 1589, Las Vegas Tower, follow southwest 2 mile final, wind 100 at 11, runway 8 right, clear to land. 09 Las Vegas Tower, wind 090 at 11, runway 8 right, clear to land, caution weight to room set, airbus ahead.
Just confirm we are on the left side for JJ 555.
5555, yeah, you are, dude. You want something else?
I mean, is the right side open today?
5555, yeah, we can do that. Change the runway 19 right, runway 19 right, clear to land.
Alright, 19 right, clear to land, JJ 555, thank you.
Left here, cross runway left, kind of ground point 1.
Alright, cross runway 8 left and contact ground point 1 southwest 21.
Bridge 1589, traffic 2 mile final, runway 19 left, a citation jet. I just want to let you know he's out there.
Okay, thanks.
So well, 7.